Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel for Lucidol Offgrid. In March 2018 we bought a, we think, 1890s era wood cabin in Småland in Sweden. We think it's 1890s because when we were tearing some of the walls down we found newspaper from 1890s, but the registry papers don't go back before I think the 1930s, so we don't know exactly when it's from, but it is old. Completely off-grid. We have a well, solar power, so there's nothing tied into the grid at all. We're gonna, I think at some point I'm aiming to move in properly, but I want to renovate it to a point where it's okay with that, or we're okay with that. So like a shower and a toilet, composting toilet, proper cooker, stuff like that. Well, gas cooker. There's going to be, we're coming up to year 2 of working on it, living in it part-time. We spent a few months over the summer here, and we spend a lot of weekends here at the moment working on it. So I'm going to be doing some year 1 catch-up videos. I have a lot of pictures and some footage, but just to get everyone caught up, and then I'm going to be videoing going forward. More for us to have like a video diary of our renovation project, trying to get off grid. Yeah, it's a nice -6 January 2019, Sweden. Hope you enjoy.